Here are the last 4 reasons to start a property investment. Reason number 7, tangible asset property is a tangible asset, meaning nakikita o nahahawakan natin. At this gives you direct control sa kanyang value o potential. Unlike sa ibang investment na nag-exist lang in digital and paper form, real estate provides tangible at appreciable asset. Reason number 8, easily insurable properties can be insured. So ang property po ay kaya nating i-safeguard against unforeseen events at various risks. Ang insurance coverage po ay nag-ensure that any potential damage or loss to the property is financially manageable, minimizing risk. Reason number 9, easily transferable real estate investment can be transferred or sold easily. Real estate is a flexible asset na kayang mag-adapt sa changes ng ating financial situations and even long-term financial goals. Diversification. Investing in property adds diversity to your investment portfolio. Diversification helps protect against market-specific downturns, providing a balanced approach to wealth creation and preservation. And there you have it. We just gave you 10 reasons that highlight advantage of investing in real property. We hope that in your real estate property needs, you will consider data land projects where quality meets affordability.